Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the alternator, also known as generator, fuses, relays are located on Mercedes GLC 4th generation. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them. Hidden fuses, guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools or diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Alternator, also known as generator, fuses, relays, come to show you guys they're hidden, where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Mercedes GLC. We will open the hood, and most people know that the fuse box, the main engine fuse box, is under that cover and it looks like this one here. But for your surprise, guys, there is a hidden fuse box that most people do not know it exists. You see where the positive jump starter terminal is located? If you remove that trim piece, guys, underneath, that's actually a pre-fuse box, and this is the back side of that pre-fuse box that looks like this one here. We have multiple cables coming in and out of it. But now when you open it, it will look something really close to that one with multiple mega fuses. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, here what we need to check specifically. Okay, you have two different designs here. This is one of them. Depending on year, model and engine, they will differ, but if you have that kind, fuse number 13 right here will need to be checked. This is the main fuse, most likely that's the fuse that you need to check. If you have the other design, you will need to consider checking fuse number 10 most likely. Since you're already here, check all of them, but those will be most likely the main fuses for the alternator, guys, that you will need to check on your Mercedes GLC. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.